Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, by the title, you can see that we are doing a glam makeup look today. It's not something that I usually do. I usually just do a natural makeup look, but today we are doing a glam makeup. So I think after this video, I'm going to start doing more glam makeup. So before I start explaining what's going on in the video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and make sure you like this video. Okay, so now we can get started into the video. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking my primer, always the first step. Always moisturize your face first and then take a primer. So I'm taking the Maybelline Master Prime and I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. So next I'm just sticking to the regular brow routine that I usually do. So I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in the color GRENAT and I'm just gonna brush up my eyebrows, outline the eyebrow, fill them in. Also, let me know down in the comments below if you would like me to make a separate video explaining my eyebrow routine. Like, some of you guys could probably see in the video clearly how I'm doing my eyebrows, but if I make a separate video for the routine, then I could probably go in more depth about what I'm actually doing for the people who need help doing their eyebrows more. So next here, I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows using the L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast. So I'm just gonna clean up the bottom, the top, and I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. I was very clumsy in this video. I don't know why, but I ended up dropping my concealer and it made a mess everywhere, so ignore my facial expressions. So I'm just taking a fluffier brush and I'm just gonna use that to blend everything out a lot better. So I'm using a new foundation that I just bought the other day, the Lancome foundation. I'm using this in the shade 495. I do like this foundation. At first, I was like, why does it look so light on my face? But then eventually when I started blending it out and everything, it ended up oxidizing on my face. So I was like, okay, it's not so bad. But I overall like it, so it's okay. So here I'm just taking the matching concealer that goes with the foundation. This is in the shade 420. I think that's the shade, right? I don't even know. And ignore the motorcycles outside. Oh my god, making mad noise. So as you can see, my concealer is a lot lighter than the first makeup video that I made. So this time I'm going for a highlighter look. So I want it to be a little bit more brighter on my chin, on top of my lip, underneath my eyes and my forehead. You know, the typical highlighted look that everybody be going for. I'm gonna try that. At first I was looking at it like, this thing is too light for me, but it's not that light. You just have to let it oxidize in your face and stuff, you know, you gotta trust the process, you know? Okay. Yeah, yeah, I forgot to mention what I was doing here, like an idiot. But I'm taking a wet beauty blender, wet beauty sponge, and I'm just blending everything out. And now I'm taking a contour stick from Fenty Beauty in the shade Espresso, I believe, and I'm just putting a tiny line, just a tiny line. You don't need to put that much because it'd be dragging down on your face, so just put a tiny line and blend it out. Yeah. So now I'm taking the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and I'm just gonna comb that through my eyebrows. Let my eyebrows set with the gel. So now I'm going ahead and setting my face with the Mercier translucent powder. So I'm gonna be using it in the color medium deep. After setting my face, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to set my contour. So I'm taking like a dark brown shade that I usually do, and I'm just gonna set it. So now we're gonna get into the eyeshadow. So here's me thinking, what eyeshadow should I pick? So I ended up picking this brown eyeshadow. It looks a little darker when you apply it to your eyes. So yeah, I'm gonna put that above my crease a little bit, and then I'm gonna take a glitter eyeshadow and I'm going to put that like on my eyelid. Not all over my eyelid, but like halfway.
Long nights alone, sleeping by myself with no one to hold, and I think, don't you worry, my friend, you've got time, but right now
So now I'm gonna go ahead and take a darker brown shade in this palette, and just to create like a little smoky look. So I'm just gonna keep blending everything out together with it.
I just want somebody.
Okay, so now I'm prepping my eyelashes for my false eyelashes. So I'm taking mascara, Maybelline mascara. You can use any mascara, it does not matter, you're just prepping it. So I'm just gonna put that on my upper lash. So I got these lashes from the beauty supply store. I don't really like them, to be honest, but I had to get it because, you know, I forgot to order eyelashes, so I had to run outside before this video and get these eyelashes. But so you basically have to trim your eyelashes. Always trim your eyelashes first, because sometimes it's too long for your eye. You don't want to be looking crazy. And then I'm just putting the glue on the eyelash, on the lash band, and then I'm going to be putting a line of glue on my eyelid to make it easier to apply. And here I am.
Something inside of you that wants to be free. I said, we are young and afraid, but life is unpredictable.
So I'm just taking a eyelash curler now, and I'm just gonna curl up my lashes because it was looking like a little too flat for me, so I had to curl it a little bit. So I'm going back into the same eyeshadow palette that I've been using this whole video, and I'm going to take this pinkish shade to use that for blush. I probably put a little too much, I don't know, but try not to put too much when you're using this, because, well, if you are using this. But yeah, and then now I'm just taking the Trophy Wife Fenty Beauty highlighter, and here I am putting too much again because I forgot how pigmented this highlighter is. So now I'm going ahead and I'm taking a black eyeliner from NYX. I got this from the beauty supply store. I'm just putting this on my waterline. So I'm going back in the same mascara, and I'm just gonna apply that to my lower lash. So now I'm taking this red lipstick from Givenchy. I wanted to try this red lipstick for a glam makeup look, but I wasn't really liking how, I don't know, something about it was just not, it was off. But like, I think I need a lip liner, like I need an actual lip combo to go with this lipstick. I can't just wear it alone. But here I am, I'm just like trying to outline my lips first before I splatter it over my lips. started realizing like it wasn't really looking right to me, so then I went into like the concealer and I was trying to like clean it up a little bit, but that did not work. So like the lipstick itself was nice, I just felt like I needed a lip liner to go with it. Like I needed to be like an ombre or something, because I just wasn't feeling it by itself. I don't know. So here I am just wiping it off because I'm just like, no, like this is not it right now. So I just went ahead and I wiped it off, and then I'm about to try something new after. So here I'm trying this new lip liner that I bought from Urban Decay. It's in the color Hex, so I'm just outlining my lips, making sure my cupid bow is defined. So I was liking how it was coming out, so I decided to pair with the NYX lingerie lipstick in the color Baby Doll. So I'm just applying that to the middle of my lip. Look at that, it looks nice. I really like it, it looks nice, it looks great. It looks good. I like the matte look, but then I was like, let me see how it looks with lip gloss. So I took some lip gloss and I put that on. I like the matte look better, but the lip gloss was cute too, so I kept the lip gloss. So here it is with the lip gloss. I like both of them. I don't know. I really like it. I don't know. But let me know in the comments what you like better, whether it's the matte lip or the lip gloss lip. I don't know. I think I prefer the matte lip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I know I did, the way I'm just sitting here watching it while doing this voiceover. And I hope you guys tried this makeup look, and I hope that it works for you. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the rest. Bye guys.